hello, dears, and welcome to Benidorm at night, the most popular holiday resort in Costa Blanca in the sunny and hot country of Spain. Right now, we are on the Levante Beach. It's nighttime, it's almost 10 at night, and you can see how lovely the lights are looking like at the promenade. The beautiful Benidorm skyline together with the brand new LED lights gurnald, which is not connected completely just yet somehow, and it's already the end of calendar summer. It's mid-August, but somehow at some of the places the gurnalds are not fully connected just yet. Even so, the views are incredible. And today we'll be heading down the Levante Beach a tiny bit. We'll be going towards the Mediterranean Avenue and have a small walk in the Rincon de Loix area to see what this area looks like on a Friday night, and give you a small route on how to get to different places here in Rincon de Loix. From the Levante Beach, here you also have prices for sunbeds and umbrellas, and like for some shade on the beach. Here they cost €6 for the whole entire day. Many people went to the streets right now. To be honest with you, in summer, the vast majority of the time that we spend outside is either early in the morning or late in the evening and even nighttime. Right now, it's very, very comfy outside. It's of around 29 maybe degrees more or less, and there is a slight humidity, that's true, but still it does allow us to enjoy the area slightly better and enjoy the town of Benidorm slightly more than during daytime. We are still, by the way, in a heat wave. In front of us, we have the incredible Hotel Don Pancho, one of our favorite ones here in Benidorm. And we have a full video tour inside of this hotel, exclusive video tour on how it's looking like. This is an adults recommended hotel, and the design is incredible. I would even dare to say it's a luxurious type of a hotel. 4 stars, superior, great service, great food inside in a buffet restaurant. And it's just everything that you would want to have in your holiday destination. From here, from the Levante Beach, there are a lot of straight, short roads going towards the Mediterranean Avenue, which is this one that we see here in front of us. Mediterranean Avenue connects the Rincon de Loix in Benidorm with the city center and the old town. On it, there are a lot of hotels, there are a lot of bars, restaurants, cafeterias, shops, pubs, and much more. A lot of them are open right now, and one of them, for example, is this one. This is Italian drinks and food place. This one is an open air terrace. Here is where they mostly serve cocktails, beers, drinks, etc. And obviously they also do have some pizzas nearby, and their main restaurant is situated right here around the corner. This one is called Ricotta. Quite a nice place. They have lasagna, they have pizza, they have salads, they have a lot of different things out here. And once again, if you visited some of the places that we show you here today in our walking tour down Benidorm on Friday night, let us know, please. Feel free to share your experience, your review, your honest opinion, because it will be definitely helpful for a lot of people. There's a lot of traffic here, so you need to be careful. On the streets of Benidorm, the traffic is quite big during these last weeks of August. Some new businesses here, Levadura Madre. Okay, that's levadura is like a baking powder, but a natural one, and madre is the mother, so like the mother of baking powders. And they are selling freshly baked bread out there. Ooh, this is on sale. Okay, all the rest of the shops are more or less the same. Jot Rock Tattoo and Barber Place. Where is it? This is like a shop. Okay, so the shop has the terrace, but inside there is another business. That's interesting. Here is where a lot of people buy underwear, like all things for sleeping, pajamas, socks, a lot of other things, even just like t-shirts, typical t-shirts with cotton. This is where you can get quite cheap deals, especially like on socks. See, 2 packs of socks for €5. Not 2 pairs, 2 packs, and each pack has around 2 to 3 pairs, sometimes even more, of different socks. So this is quite a cheap bag, and this is almost as going to Primark, for example, to buy some socks. This is a Spanish alternative, let's say it like this. Here on the left side, we have some more businesses, and these streets will connect you directly to the British Street, or also officially known as Girona Street in Rincon de Loix. This is mostly British area. This is where all the bars, pubs are British, like English speaking. The Four Kings, for example, they have a wide variety of different beers, of different snacks. They have menu of the day for $11.95, by the way, which is quite cheap. And prices are not too bad, taking into consideration that all the prices have risen quite a lot lately. On the left, the white fence is the fence that separates Mediterranean Avenue with the Hotel Rio from Met Playa. Lovely, nice space. I like the new design that they've chosen, quite a unique one, by the way. And we filmed it once. They have changed everything after the refurbishment, and it's looking very, very nice and appealing. We have this video as well here on the channel. We will leave it for you linked down below in the first comment below this video. Some more 24-hour supermarkets. They grow like mushrooms, you know it already. They grow like Chinese bazaars non-stop everywhere. I actually even think that it's like the same owner, because they are all more or less of the same style. However, we always recommend you not to buy a lot of things from 24-hour supermarkets, because they are way more expensive if you buy there instead of a usual typical Spanish supermarket. Some breakfast, lunch and dinner. Strange place. I never know what they sell here in Margos. Before it was a different place. They didn't change the design, they just changed the name and the owner probably. Holidays. This place is very, very nice. I love it. They have some nice and unique things out here, some colorful stuff, souvenirs, t-shirts, Benidorm. Just a lot of nice and cozy and fluffy and colorful and cute, the cutest things to purchase, even if it's just as a gift for someone or for yourself as a memory from Benidorm town. On the left side, we have the beginning of the famous Girona Street, and you can see the ATM machines are still here. Yes, a lot of people are still asking what's happening with the ATM machines, with the illegal ATM machines in Benidorm, from several companies. And the thing is that, remember last time we told you that the town hall has made an error and did not notify correctly the owners of these ATM machines. So they had some time to regulate their situation, and a lot of them actually did, which is why you will still see these ATMs all over Benidorm. But don't recommend it because commissions are mad. Some water sports that you can purchase from here, the tickets probably. Oh, by the way, we will be filming for you probably the next video that you will see here on the channel, which will be tomorrow. You will see the complete footage of how we went to the aqua park on the beach of Benidorm. These floating, inflated, like floating castles. We went there and we'll share with you our complete experience. You cannot believe how it went. We went the entire family, so we'll share with you what it is like to go to these floating water attractions. So trust me, if you want to have some fun, if you want to have some positive emotions, but also get a full amount of information, useful information, even if you're coming right now in summer, or if you will be coming next few years, because these water activities will remain here for a few more seasons. This will be an extremely useful and interesting video for you guys, so don't miss it for tomorrow, please. In front, we have the casino. This is the biggest and most important casino here in Benidorm. It's also heavily protected, so you cannot film inside, obviously, due to the protection of the people who are coming there, of all the guests. But it's a nice place. A lot of hotels collaborate with them, and if you go from a certain hotel, they even have a welcome drink for you when you arrive here. To go to a casino, you need to bring your ID document, not simply to verify that you are over 18 years old, but also to put your data in the system just in case, as a protocol, as an extra measure for security, just in case. So bear that in mind. Even if you go to a bingo, by the way, place, need to bring your ID document with you. This is how things work right here. The beginning of the Rincon de Loix is looking slightly more quiet, simply because this area, all the people from here are already in the city center, or still by the beach, or having dinner, or having a lovely walk by the old town. So everyone are going towards that destination. As you can see, no one is heading back to Rincon de Loix, almost no one. All people are heading the opposite because they will enjoy some lovely night out in Benidorm town. See, another supermarket, Big Ben. That's another new supermarket. So that's why we say that they are coming out non-stop, and more businesses are being opened up right here. By the way, those who are planning to make the tours with us on Benidorm Bayana Tours, private cultural trips around Benidorm and in Costa Blanca, we are working right now with some limited schedule. However, we still perform all the trips just earlier in the morning or later in the evening after 6 p.m. when the heat comes down a tiny bit. So you can still book them on our official website, Benidorm by Anna Tours. Thank you for accompanying us on today's lovely walk. Hopefully it was useful for many of you, especially those who do not know Benidorm so well just yet. And when you arrive here on holidays, you will feel like you've been here already, and you know all these lovely spots to visit in our most popular holiday destination in Costa Blanca, Benidorm town. Thank you for accompanying us on this short walk, and we'll see each other tomorrow in a fun, interesting, incredible video from Benidorm Beach, where we will be trying for the first time ever the floating aqua park. Let's see how it went.